Patika is a brand I enjoy. For your phones, tablets, watches, they make a lot of accessories. I have two cases for you today for the M4 iPad Pro, and they really do turn heads. Hey, welcome back. It's V. Let's go. I have two iPad Pro 13-inch cases which were sent to me for review. I was not paid to review these. These are my thoughts and only my thoughts. Both of these can be picked up off Amazon for about $60 to about $70. This one is about $60 off Amazon. It comes in three colors: black, white, and blue. Not sure why blue. It's like a baby blue. They sell a version of this for the 11-inch iPad Pro plus the Airs. The first one is like a normal folio case. Apple sells theirs for about $100, but this one seems to offer more value for the package. The normal folio cases are limiting and the quality has been going downhill for years and years. With being about half the price, they can do more different angles. It's a standard folio case which the cover can change to a couple different positions on any desk surface. These can fold, bend, twist for that proper sweet spot for that 2 a.m. Netflix binging. This might be the shortest unboxing part of all time. Inside the box is just the folio case. There's the wrapping for the case, which just showcases the different modes you can do. Besides that, there's nothing else. This folio case will attach to the iPad Pro with magnets. The build quality here is pretty good. It's a nice leather material. It's not super premium, but good. There's a flap on top. It does help keep the pencil from getting lost while traveling, so that will save you an extra $150. It does close with magnets. It can be hidden behind the tablet, but it does stick out a little bit. This does have auto wake and sleep. I do prefer cases like this. It offers a little bit more professionalism compared to like a bulky, huge case. I like my devices looking sexy, not stuffed. At the same time, because the case is not that big, it doesn't offer much in the way of drop protection. The front cover can move and bend and twist either in portrait or landscape mode. When the cover is folded in, it's a little bit more sturdy in landscape mode. It's good for artists who do draw a lot. When folded out, you can put the iPad either in portrait or landscape mode for like viewing content like this one, so a sub to the channel will go a long way. It offers a little bit more viewing angles than just a normal folio case by Apple. In general, it's a solid case. The build quality is excellent. The different modes are very useful, and to me, it just offers more. Patika is a brand I've been using for years, and overall their gear is solid. Getting to the star of the show is the Mag Easy Case 2 by Patika. This can be picked up off Amazon for about $70. Normally, they have about 12 colors to choose from, but right now they just have black. They have this for both the M4 Pros, the older ones, the Airs, the entry-level one. Those prices do vary, so check them out on Amazon. I've had one on my M1 for years, and that's by far the centerpiece for everything for me. I love that carbon fiber look, the feel, the woven colors just look so good. There's really nothing else quite like this on the market, so it's a little sad, which they only offer black at the moment. I really do like these inside cases because it offers just a little bit more protection for that $1,000 tablet. On the back side of the case, there are magnets which can attach to the Patika stand. It can rotate 360 degrees. It can pivot up and down about 90 degrees. It's not really anything needed, but it's something extra they offer with their ecosystem. The stand also offers a wireless charging base for like phones or earbuds. They do sell a Pro version, which does have wireless charging for the iPads, but that only works with the last generation or the current Airs. Something I wanted to throw out there, it's just part of their own ecosystem. The magnetic stand and case will set you back about $200 for the complete set. It is one of the better ones on the market. The case here feels a bit lacking in my opinion. This generation of Pros are a bit thinner, and so are the cases. The quality is good, but it just feels a bit more flimsy. The case will attach to the iPad, and there's like tiny little grippers or teeth hold everything into place. There are some cases that don't really have like the teeth here. When you put the iPad into the case, it can easily slide out. Inside cases by Doco tend to have this, so those are not really good cases. Here, there's no issues, so there's plenty of teeth here to like really grip and hold and keep the iPad into place. With Patika, they tend to have their own ecosystem, which will play nicely with their own devices. Most other manufacturers with magnetic attachments should work with this inside case. Even with the older iPads, I've never really ran into issues with compatibility or other devices not working nice. Most most of the time, these inside cases should work with about anything out on the market. Pitika products work best with Pitika products, so both cases here work well with each other. They both offer complete protection from drops and scratches, from the front to the back to the corners to the edges. Everything works fine and offers complete protection. The inside case does not hinder the different modes the folio case offers, from portrait to landscape mode. Overall, everything here works good. No real complaints or issues. You can easily mix and match the colors. One of the biggest issues people have with the thinner iPads are the Magic Keyboards. With the smart connector, it attaches to the pins on the back side of the tablet, and that will power the keyboard part. So there's also no issues with charging. The magnets still have a strong grip to them, even with an inside case. The original M1, I've had no issues with any of this, all the way up to the M4. Like, it's not the worst thing. People have been talking about this for a while. With the inside case, with the new Magic Keyboard, when closed, there is a small gap there. This is due to the iPad Pros being thinner and the keyboard case being thinner. Like, the inside case offers a little extra thickness to the whole package, which causes the keyboard part to hang open. But I do find this sort of annoying. Maybe if they made the case a little bit shorter, a little bit thinner, it could maybe correct the issue then. It doesn't work the best with a Magic Keyboard, which it was made for specifically. As it stands right now, I like using the inside case while traveling without the Magic Keyboard inside of the folio case. This up here works so much better without the Magic Keyboard. There's a reason why foldable keyboards do exist. I feel as if the Pitika folio case takes a cake here. It's clearly the star of the show. The build quality is excellent and just looks so damn good. For sleek, professional looking iPad accessories, Pitika is the way to go, especially for their folio cases. Maybe not their inside cases this year around. Maybe if they can correct the gap issue. So like always, it's V, stay classy.